a magic milk food coloring experiment.
This is almost gone.
It's almost gone. So Rosie loves food coloring and playing with food coloring. So we decided that this video would be a lot of fun to do. What all do we have right here, Rosie?
Food coloring.
Yes.
Dish soap. Milk.
Yes. And
Q-tips.
yes. She picked out some random toys, so we're gonna play with the toys in our magic milk experiment, aren't we? Okay, and then you have...
What's gonna happen?
What's gonna happen? We're gonna find out.
We're gonna pour the milk in glass container.
Okay, pour the milk in the glass container.
Yeah.
Yep, go ahead. Yay! Next, we're gonna grab the food coloring.
I want green.
Okay, so take the lid off, and you're just gonna put some dots of green in, okay? Don't squirt it hard, just do it really soft. What other colors are we gonna put in? Red. Okay, so take the lid off. Oops, that's okay. All right, now go ahead and put some drops of red in. What other color? Oh, silly.
No.
You're silly.
So these are food coloring.
Yes. We got red and green in the milk. What other color are we doing?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay, so drop some yellow ones.
Kind of orange.
It does look kind of orange.
Now we're gonna take this Q-tip and dip it in soap.
Now we're gonna put the Q-tip on to the food coloring. Whoa! Look at that! Cool, I'll put more soap on it. I'm gonna do one too. Okay, so we're dipping the soap in. We're gonna...
Makes it. Ooh, this is colorful.
Look at that.
Zigzag-toe. Zigzag-toe.
Ooh, that's pretty.
That's what happened when the soap.
All right, pour it in. Let's see. Okay, let's put more food coloring.
Yeah.
We'll do some more green. Whoa.
We're gonna put our toys in it. What's first? So fun.
What's that?
A mermaid.
Ooh, so she can swim in the magic milk.
Mom, how we turn this? What happens, okay? What? What are you gonna do? Bubble. Got that. How about this one? We'll take these out. Okay. Take these out. Mom, bubbles.
Wow.
Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. but I gotta put this in. And get it messy. Okay. Woohoo! There. The winner is slime. Thanks for watching, guys.